असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video I am going to solve exercise 2.5 problem number 15. Look at the question once. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by 4a square plus 4a minus 3. One area this is. And second question, 25a square minus 35a plus 12 is the second question. Okay, so here the area is given in the form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, isn't it? Did you get that? The area is given in the form of quadratic polynomial. So to find length and breadth of the rectangle, we need to factorize these two polynomials here. Okay, so suppose if I factorize this quadratic polynomial, what we get? We get two linear polynomials. Okay, isn't it? We get two linear polynomials in product form. The two linear polynomials is nothing but length and breadth. Okay, nothing but two dimensions. One is length and one more is breadth. Okay, I think you have got the idea. So now what we do? Right, we need to factorize these two polynomials to get the length and breadth. Okay, right. So given 4a square plus 4a minus 3. So to factorize this, first of all we have to multiply this constant term with coefficient of a square. Okay, right. So minus 3 into 4, it is nothing but minus 12, isn't it? So minus 12 we have here. So forget about minus, take this 12 first. 2 6 the 12. Okay, so this is perfect pair I think. So minus 2a, or we can write minus 6a minus 2a, we take it is 4a. Is it suitable here? Yes. So minus 12 we can write minus 2 into 6. Okay, if we sum this, it becomes again 4. Okay, nothing but 2a plus 6a, nothing but 4a. I am choosing this pair here. Okay, right. Let us replace this here. 4a square plus 6a minus 2a minus 3, isn't it? You got that? Right. So take 2a common here. What becomes? So if I take 2a common, so here it is remaining 2a plus here it is 3 remaining, isn't it? If I multiply again 2a into 3, nothing but 6a. Okay, right. Next, take minus 1 common here. What becomes? So minus came out here, so it becomes plus 2a, and same minus came out, so here it is plus 3. Okay, we need to get here both are same, otherwise it is not correct. So what is the factor here? 2a minus 1, one factor, and 2a plus 3 another factor. Okay, so what we can conclude here? This is nothing but, so here it is area. Okay, 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is the area. So I have converted this into linear polynomial, nothing but L into B. What is the formula for area? Area of rectangle is equals to L into B. Okay, so this area of rectangle already given, 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Okay, that is already we factorized here. So L is equals to L into B. So L is 2a minus 1 and B 2a plus 3. Okay, these are the two dimensions we got here. Okay, 2a minus 1 is the length, 2a plus 3 is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, what is that? So it is a rectangle. So this is the 2a minus 1 and this is 2a plus 3, or else we can take, I think it's looking like something. So take this as length, take this as breadth. No need, don't know, nothing will be happening here. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. Suppose if I take this as the length, what becomes, how the rectangle will be? This is the 2a minus 1, this is the 2a plus b, 2a plus 3. Okay, this or this, we can take any one of this. I think you have got the idea about dimensions, right? Next, second one. So 25a square, given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay, right, we have to factorize this. First of all, we need to multiply with constant term into coefficient of a square. 12 into 25, so 25 12s. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5 and 25 0 0 1 300. So we got here 300. Okay, now we have to factorize this 300. What is the factorization of 300? Okay, we need to get again minus 35 here. So suitable the one is, so 20 in 20 1 the 20, remaining here I think it is 15. 20 50 is 300. Okay, right. So here we have minus 35a. So suppose this pair we got here 20 in comma 15. So minus 20 minus 20 minus 15 we get again minus 35, isn't it? So it means minus 20a minus 15a is equals to minus 35a. So this pair is suitable to here. Okay, right. So I'm taking here 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Okay, right. So what becomes, so take here 5 common. If I take 5 common here, what becomes, I'm taking 5a common here. So take 5a common, what is the remaining here? 5a is remaining minus, it is 4 remaining here, isn't it? If I take 5a as common, what becomes, 5a, 1 is remaining, minus 5a came out, remaining is 4. Okay, right. If I multiply again, we get the same answer. Minus here, take minus 3 common, what becomes, 5 remaining here, plus 5 it is. Okay, plus 5 remaining here, 5a, and this place becomes minus, because plus into minus into minus, again it becomes plus. Okay, so what is remaining here, 4. These two must be same, we need to get. Okay, right, we got already. So 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3 are the dimensions, are the length and breadth. Okay, right, look at here. Suppose we can take like this, 5a minus 4, this is 5a minus 3, or else we can take like this also, 5a minus 3, this is, you can write here 5a minus 4. Okay, you can take both the methods. Okay, right. These are the dimensions we got. This is about problem number 15. Nothing but given area in the form of quadratic polynomial Okay, we didn't ask directly here. Given quadratic polynomial, we have to factorize that to find the length and breadth. Okay, right.